Hi guys, it's me again, Maria, and another tutorial that I want to share with you guys. So I'm creating a character for any kind of story that you want. You can choose any story that you want to create, or if you want to make a short video for YouTube, your channel, and for your YouTube content, if you want to use a character like stick man or stick kind of stick character, it's just like a lines of character, then I'm gonna show you guys how I'm creating. This is my first time to create a story using stick man characters. So I use ChatGPT, I use videoexpress AI 3.0 to create all these visuals and create a video, and to show you guys just a little bit on how to do this using these stick characters. You can also use 3D characters, photorealism characters, any kind of type of images that you want to use, but this is my first time creating a video using these stickman characters, so I'm gonna show you guys into this tutorial. But before we jump into my computer, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, share, and most especially subscribe to my channel, so that and click the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new videos. And to all my supporters, thank you so much guys for staying into my channel, supporting my channel, and watching all the tutorials that I am sharing with you guys. So if you have any questions, just write down the comments and I will reply to you as soon as possible. So this tutorial is based on my experience, since this is the first time that I'm creating a video using stickman characters. Alright, so without any further ado, let's jump into my computer. Alright guys, so now we are here in ChatGPT, and then we're going to ask ChatGPT to help you to create a stickman characters for your videos. Alright, so I know you have some 3D, 2D, some animations or cartoons video, but in this tutorial we're gonna make a stickman characters, or we're gonna use a stickman characters to create some videos. Okay, so now here I'm ChatGPT. I want to create this kind of videos like stickman. So I want to create a content video like this stickman characters for my channel. Can you give me topic suggestions like this? So here are some of the suggestions that I got. So you can choose any one of this video that you want to create using a character stickman. Okay, so now I chose why nobody watches your videos. So I just copy this one and I paste it here. Alright, why nobody watches your videos, and here is the lesson, the transformation. So I also asked to create an image prompt and a video prompt, because I'm gonna use a Video Express to create the visuals. Yes, so first I'm going to create a character of this video. So here is the character prompts, which is Alex, the main character. So there are two images before and after transformation. So you are gonna copy this one, and I'm gonna copy this one, and then now I had my Maya successful creator mentor, which is I'm gonna copy this one too, and I'm going to Video Express. So here is the Alex. Okay, this is the after transformation, and here is the before transformation. So next we're going to create Maya. Okay, I'm gonna paste this one because I need Maya character. So I'm gonna check this one and image to 2D, and we're going to create an image. By the way, you have to choose which ratio that you want. Okay, so either one of this is okay. So I'm just gonna choose landscape and create image, and let's wait because we need those characters for this episode, okay, for these videos. So here is Maya, and if you want to create one more image, so let's try one more time. So let's see, so that you have a choice on which characters that you want to use. So there she is, and there she is. So I think I'm gonna get her, so I'm gonna save it here. You can click this one to save the image into your library. Alright, so now once we finish with that, we're going back to ChatGPT, and we're going to start the story. So the title of the story is Why Nobody Watches Your Video. Here is the scene 1 is the problem. So next, what we're gonna do is I'm going to copy this one, the image prompt, which you need to paste here. Alright, I'm gonna paste it here and go back, and let's paste the video prompt. Okay, so in the video prompt, going back here, and let's paste it here. And I'm going to uncheck this and choose the character, since we already save it here. So I'm gonna go to my image, and I'm gonna choose Alex. So here is Alex. Okay, so I'm gonna check him. There he is. Alright, so now there is Alex here. And the character dialogue is this. Alex, 3 views. That's it. Alright. So I'm going to copy and paste it here. The one that Alex dialogue. Okay, so let's see. Here. I'm just gonna go this for advanced mode because sometimes it needs more time for the dialogue. Okay, so I'm just going to create an image. Let's see how it looks like. All right, there you go. So which that you want to use, you can use this, you can use this, but I can check this one, and I'm just want to create a video, and I'm gonna check this one too, and I want to create a video too. So let's see later how it looks like and how it sounds like. Okay, so before we go to the next scene, okay, before we go to the scene 2, here are the sound effects also. If you can also add this one to the video, if you want to, you just copy this one like this. Copy all of this, and then go back to Video Express, and you just add over here. Just add it, okay? Soft keyboard surfing, because this is the video and the visual for the video. And let's create another image for this, and let's see how it looks like. Alright, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and create a video for this, and then I'm just going to create another one for this. So let's see which one is better. Okay, so now your video will appear on your media library. So I'm gonna close this one, guys, to show you guys where you can find those videos here on your media library. Here you go. Click this one and go to your AI my AI videos. And as you see, it's now processing. So let's wait for a second. Okay, now this one is finished. So let's see and play with this.
3 views? That's it?
Alright, this is the first one. And let's see this one.
Three views? That's it?
Alright, so that's why I'm, creating two videos for each images, because some of the image you might not like it, like this one, you see. Okay, hold on, where is it? This one, the 3 views. If I don't like to have this one, so I might not get this one. If I'm gonna ask which and which, I think I might like this. Okay, let's see this one.
Three views? That's it?
Alright, there you go. So you can also choose this one. That's why you can create as many as video as you want, and then you have a choice which that you want to use for your videos. Okay, so let's wait for seconds until we finish these 2 more. Alright, so now let's watch these 2.
3 views.
3 views? That's it?
Alright, let's see this one.
Three views? That's it?
Alright, so you can choose which one you use. Maybe I can use this one.
3 views? That's it?
Okay, so maybe this one or this one. Okay, so it's all up to you. And then I'm just gonna go ahead, guys, and put this one over here. Just drag this one here. And so as you see, guys, this is the first scene that we got from this, the problem, the scene 1. So if we're going to go to, or for the scene 2, guys, it's the blame gay. So the image prompt, I'm gonna copy this one. Here is the narration, and here is the dialogue of the character. The narration is not yet there, and I'm gonna add that later. And then I'm gonna use other application, which is the Clone Voice AI, or you can use 11 Loves. Okay, so one more time, I'm gonna go to scene 2. The same process, guys. Scene 3, scene 4, scene 5 until scene, oh my god, it's all scene 8, I think. This one, okay, until scene 8. And then we're going to create the whole video using the character, the Stickman character, if you want to create videos using stickman characters. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead, guys, for the scene 2, continue from scene 3 to scene 8 until I finish all of this. What you're gonna do is just to do the same process like I did from scene 1 and scene 2 inside of Video Express, and then I'll meet you in the end.
Three views? That's it?
The algorithm hates me. Well, your content doesn't stop anyone from scrolling. Swipe tent doesn't stop anyone from scrolling.
Even the algorithm ignores boring content.
I'd appears and explain the mistake. It's not the algorithm. It's your storytelling.
You start improving content. So you change your approach. So Wolf transition.
You start using hooks being created with hooks and visuals. You start using hooks, emotions, and clear messages.
Is Stingy stops scrolling and watches? Then how'd actually stop scrolling? Now people actually stop and watch?
She highlights content, and the algorithm starts pushing your content.
Sure's Your Comes becomes successful, engaging content creator. Because now, your content is no longer boring, engaging content creator.
So your name nobody watches your videos. Don't quit. Fix your content first.